We got 28 black, high number from the third dozen. And first column. Congratulations to the winners and thank you for the round, everybody. 698, beautiful one for you. Can we give you money, my boy? Get yourself a McDonald's Happy Meal and tell the cashier to give you a good toy. And then you would be doing me a favor. You get yourself something nice and I'll be happy for you. How about that? Let's drop the lightnings and see what you got. You don't have to tip or anything. Just get yourself something nice, it'll make me happy. We have 11 and 18, 500x on the 11. Ladies and gentlemen, we got 32 red, high number from the third dozen in the second column. Congratulations to the winners, and thank you for the round, everybody. Tell it to hit green. Hey, yo! Are you calling me an it, or are you telling me to tell the wheel to hit the 0? By the way, congratulations to all the winners. Rabin, amazing win for you. Hop in and join us. Let's go. Let's drop the lightnings. He bullied him with the Happy Meal? What do you mean? Man, nobody's outgrown a Happy Meal. Anybody that shames you for a Happy Meal doesn't know what a Happy Meal is. 4 and 5, 100x on both. Ladies and gentlemen, we got 21 red, high number from the second dozen. Best of luck, everybody. I don't know what that is, criminal. And best of luck on the next round, ladies and gentlemen. Place your bets and hop in. Man, Daniel is like laying down like an American sniper, just waiting for somebody to misbehave in the chat. He's waiting for somebody to misbehave in the chat. Let's drop the lightnings. But yeah, ladies and gentlemen, please keep it polite so that you're not in Daniel's crosshair. And yeah, let's see what you got next. 6 and 13, 100x on each. Watch this, watch this, watch this. He's about to go. He's about to be gone. Ladies and gentlemen, you got a 1 red low number from the York Line section. Congratulations to the winners, and thank you for the round, everybody. There they go. Some people just never learn. You don't mess with Daniel. When he's around, don't trust anything. He's an American sniper. Good luck, everyone. Yeah, exactly my point. Drop the lightnings. I love the Big Daddy meal because my dad left to get milk and never came back. My bad about that. We have 10, 15, 21, 32, 100x on 2 of them. Ladies and gentlemen, we got a 7 red, low number from the first column. Congratulations to all the fantastic winners, and of course, thank you for the game. We have well over 1,000 total winners. My son? Wait, what happened to me being your mom? Wait, the lore is changing. How? How am I the mother and the son at the same time? Let's drop some lightnings, everybody. Why did you change the title? Also don't know what that is, 7-7. 22, 24, 34, and 100x on the 22. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this time we got 18 red, a low one from the second dozen. Yeah, I agree, Princess, I agree. It's, yeah, the weather has been kind of clear for a bit, but hopefully we'll get some lightnings very soon. I completely agree. And welcome, Princess. Welcome to Lightning Roulette. How you doing today? By the way, we have 1,008 total winners. Hop in and join us, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. But yeah, what is that 777? Let's drop the lightnings. What is that exactly? Lightning round, let's go. 3, 6, and 17, 100x on 2 of them. Ladies and gentlemen, we got ourselves a 1 red, low number from the Earth Alliance section. Congratulations to the winners, and thank you for the round, everybody. Cake, you're the top winner this time. The cake is a lie. Dragon Blood. Bit dramatic, don't you think? But 750 euros, lovely bounty, beautiful stuff. I like the name. A bit scary, but I like the name. Let's drop the lightnings. Imagine, like, when I'm reading the leaderboard, it's like Bob, Gerald, Dragon Slayer, 6, 15, 22, 150x on the 6. We got 16 red, a low number from the tier section. Congratulations to all the lovely winners, and thank you for the round, everybody. Hop in and join us. Let's try to go again. The hot numbers, by the way, are 22, 4, 27, 19, and last one is an 8. Good luck, everybody. Let's drop the lightnings. Wayman's I'm your father. Wait, we got Star Wars plotline now? 5, 18, and 36, 50x on all. Ladies and gentlemen, we got 10 black, a yellow number from the first dozen. Congratulations to all the fantastic winners, and thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we got 25 red, high number from the first column. Congratulations to the winners and thank you for the round. Jama, by the way, 657 euros, 908 total winners. By the way, in the last 10 rounds, we've only had 2 black numbers, the 10 and 28. And ladies and gentlemen, we are more or less approaching the end of the session. So hopefully you guys had a fun time. And I really do hope we can wrap it up with some lightnings. So please, let's get some lightnings. So 6 and 14, and lastly 100x on the 6. Ladies and gentlemen, we got ourselves a 33 black, a high number from the third dozen, and the tier section as well. Good luck, everybody, and thank you for the round. Kimo, you're the top winner this time. Box, 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 box. 2,000 euros for you. Congratulations. I assume your name is like in some different characters. Let's drop some lightnings and see what we got. So, 3 lightnings, everybody. 6, 7, and 20, and 200x on the 7. $12 red, low number from the third column. Congratulations to the winners, and thank you for the round, everybody. Imar, by the way, 1,100 euros for you. Lovely, lovely stuff. The betting time starts once again. Criminal, you still there? I wish to say goodbye, my friend. Best of luck, everyone. Let's drop the lightnings. Yeah, let's try not to spam too much. We have 14, 17, 24, 29, 200x on the 24. Ladies and gentlemen, we've done it! We have a 14 red, a beautiful lightning number, 100x on that 14. 384 lightning winners, by the way. MST 3,600 euros for you. You're the top winner. Congratulations, everyone, and thank you for the round. You're welcome to place in your bets and join us. And yeah, let's see what we got next. Hopefully, maybe we get another lightning and maybe make a combo or something. Let's drop some lightnings. Yeah, but we got something nice, Mendoza. Ooh, 5 lightnings. 4, 7, 8, 13, and 20, and 100x on the 13. Ladies and gentlemen, we got 27 red, high number from the juice section. Congratulations to the winners, and thank you for the round, everybody. Why? 451 euros for you. Good good stuff. 941 total winners. And yeah, the hottest number right now, as it currently stands, is 19. The coldest number is 31. Let's drop some lightnings in here. 3 lightnings, 10, 12, and 22. And 100x on the 12 and 22. Ladies and gentlemen, what did I say? What did I say? Ladies and gentlemen, we got a 12 red. Low number from the first dozen. Another beautiful lightning number. 100x on that 12. 409 lightning winners. And Army, you're the top winner this time with 3,400 euros. Congratulations to you. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. Nicely done, everybody. Make sure your bets are in. And yeah, let's drop some. Fingers crossed, hope for the best, and yeah, make sure everything is nice and tidy. 4 and 33, 100x on the 33. We have a 1 red number from the Earth section. I thought I met the manliest man ever, but I was tricked. Sandus is here, everybody. Good luck.
Hey, the man's man. What's good, ladies and gentlemen? Backflip? Did my colleague do a backflip? Yo, what? Did I miss that? Ay. I really hope somebody clipped it. Put it on YouTube, please. Put it on YouTube. Yeah, apparently you did a backflip. Alright, 15, 24, 35. We got 50 and 200. Hey, we got number 2 out here. We out here winning money, making moves, you know. 974 round winners, superstars. Been there, done that. Been there, done that. Ladies and gentlemen, last seconds. What's up, guys? Let's play. What's going on? And I said, hey, yeah. 917 and 35, 100x. $13 black, auto tier section. Well done, people. 910 round winners. Come on, congratulations. Ooh, Miedi. Where's the letter R? Oh, my Eddie. Okay, I thought you're ready. Anyway, you did the best, man. You're the best, man. You're the best, man. Alright, here we go again. Another round, people. We got 16, we got 31, 50x on both of them. $14, red even low, second column, 14 wins. 1,049 winners, yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, for you to win the lightning numbers, you have to do one thing. You have to do one thing. To play with straight up bets, you must. To play with a multi and win multi, straight up option is the one you gotta choose. Any numbers on the wheel, from 0 to 36, could be the one with the light behind me. 127, 36, 50, 300, and 150. $13 wins, black odd and low number. 13, 861 winners. 13, my favorites, my favorites. Alright people, behind me, that is the banning rate. Let's take a closer look. So what is happening right now? This number shakes, 14 shakes, and 0 shakes, that's super sure. Those numbers are with the biggest straight up back combination right here, right now. So that's a stat you can take. You can take hot, cold, last winning numbers, bottom right as well. Take a look at those. Okay, so we got 0, 20, 100 and 150. Ten black, this section, first column. Hey yo Bobby, but did he really make a backflip? 907 winners. I've seen some people on some other games making backflips. I haven't seen anyone making a backflip here. That would be cool. I wish I could. I would probably just break my neck. I would probably just land on my neck. Anyway, people, time to play again. Time to play again! No more bets. Alrighty, so we got 9, 21 and 27, 100x and 50x. $29, black high, odd, second column. 29, 1020, winners of the game. Yes, sir. 20 times over again. Let's do this. Let's do this. Payout limit top left side. You can check out, for example, payout of a straight up bet is a 30 to 1. If you didn't know, well, now you do. Now you do. Best close. Are you Filipino? No, I'm from Brazil actually. 120, 27, 100x. Alright lads, we got 23 red high number out here. Winning game with the money, 945 winners. Vamos! Woo! Vamos! Yes bro. You got my attention bro. Anytime, place your bets please. Straight up bets to win some lightings. Every game we get at least one guaranteed number, always and forever, and we could get up to 5 out here. So Dawn just says bro, and that's it. Bro! Bro! 725, 100x. And it's a 10. Black tier section, first column hot number. Bro, 878 winners. Alright, well, Meho, Masu, and Mr. TOZ, top of the list. Best of the 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 best. Cool. Alright, let me disappear and reappear with something in my hand. Lever, in this case. What did you think? Okay, so 13, 16, 27, 50x and 100. We are the best. Over us. Winning number is a number 4 out here. Right now. 892 round winners of the game. Alright. Well done. Catch you in the next round. Let's go, Karen, with the best music. Anyway, shout out to DJ Khaled. Another one. Key to success is to have all the keys. All you gotta do is just get all the keys. Sounds easy enough. 11, 30, 32, 150. And we are back again with a 10. Already for the third time in 6 games, number 10 comes out. 964 minutes. Yeah, in 6 games last 3 times. In 6 games 3 times. Anyway, it's a hot number, so maybe gotta give hot numbers a try. Is 10 shaken? 10 is actually shaken with biggest side of back combo as well. The best music. What is the best music? What is Sabbath? Four times in a row, black number wins. So basically, imagine, let's go with a candy shop. You know the song, 50 Cent Candy Shop. Imagine that song, but in medievals. But in medieval times. Yeah, so somebody out there has made a Spotify playlist with popular music, popular songs that are made into medieval songs. Best thing ever. 730, 17, 200x. Alright folks, we got 17. Guess what? I lost my voice. It's a 200! Bad moment for me to lose my voice. 17 with a 200x victory. 450. Round winners. I don't know the first part though. Anyway, I think you're happy, so that's cool. That's happy days. Happy days for the weekends. For happy day before the weekend sets in. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Number 9, Red Oddly, third column. We are the best. Oh, best. 894 winners. Congratulations. Anytime. How many girlfriends have you had? Like, all right. Finally, we are asking spicy questions. Finally, there's something interesting. All right, people. No more bets. Alright, we got 23, 26, 34, 500. $31, black high, odd, first column, high score. I got a 221, I gotta take my list, The big paper, I have to count them all. Anyway, 849 winners of the game. All I can say, I'm enjoying single life the best. Single life is the best. That's all I gotta say. It's all I'm gonna throw out there, and best of luck. How many you have had? I guess like 4, I guess. Anyway, 12, 28, 36, 200x. $31, black high and odd number. 1031 minutes. It only takes a couple to understand that, whatever. Here we go, new round is here. Let's not get into that. Anyway, hot numbers 27, 19 red, 8 and 10 and 4 black are the hottest right now. Coldest as well, check out bottom right side for all that information. And no more bets. Time for luck. Let's go! Come on! Come on! 500 here, right here. Okay, it actually is. 17, 18, 500 and 100. $28 black. First column high score black. 1021 winners of the game. Well done. What did you do to cope with the heartbreak? Have you seen the new Napoleon movie? There was this beautiful saying, "What are we gonna do?" And he said, "There is nothing we can do." Anyway, we got 15, 20, 32. Look at that, 1500. 23. Red high and odd number 23. I mean, hard breaks. There's literally nothing you can do, right? 1065 round winners. Don't let your heart be broken, I guess. This is gonna be the easiest part. Let's continue with another round. Place your bets. Any options can bring you money. Straight up options can bring you lightning numbers. The whole shtick about a game. I mean, time heals everything. That's for sure. No bets. But the thing about that, heartbreak, the more you get it, the less it hurts, you know. So, heart gets cold. Anyway, 1 and 10, 50x. Number 33, black high and odd number. 221008. Are you having a heartbreak right now? 956 minutes. Are you going through it right now? Alright, here we go again. Brand new round is coming up. Behind me is the betting. $20.17, 200. $25. First column high score reds. 25, 25, 25. Wins the game, the game again. 940 winners. Betting time's open. Go ahead and place your bets. Let's do it again. Bet of a straight up 30 to 1. 14, 32, 50x, and 400. Whoppa! Woo! That's what I'm talking about! Yes! 400x victory, number 14. Let's go! 453 round winners with a big ol' 400x victory. Come on. Who's happy? Well, 453 for sure are happy. Wow, Mr. 69 just won 45,000. Hadi with a 20k victory. Sheesh. Oh, lot of money. Whole lot of money. Happy days. That's the biggest one so far in this session. 13, 25, 29, 500 for 13. $29. Hey, we got back-to-back lightning. 100x. Come on. Ladies and gentlemen, the bag is open. Woo! 388 with a 100x victory. Hey, that's what we like. That's what I'm talking about. 2 rounds back-to-back. I was kind of hoping for, doesn't matter, but here we go again with a brand new round. Always want to see the biggest and the best victory, but obviously